A delicious meat roulotte. Everyone will ask for the recipe. To begin, we'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 grated onion, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, salt, pepper, paprika, and we'll mix everything with our hands. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. Let's put it over plastic film and spread it the same way you see in the video. We'll need boiled eggs, and peas, carrots, and palm heart. Now let's roll it and close it. In a dish, we'll put some olive oil and place the roulotte. Let's spread some olive oil on it. We'll leave it in the oven for 50 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. In the meantime, we'll make the sauce. Let's put in a pot olive oil, 2 tablespoons of tomato extract, 1 chopped tomato, pepper, salt, garlic, and half a cup of water. Now we just need to pour it over the roulotte and our recipe is ready. Don't forget to leave me a grade from 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!